So we start off today's video with this Ikea hack. So these are all the items that she's using for this particular DIY. So she added the contact paper here. Oh, wow. This looks so beautiful. It actually looks like real marble too. She did an amazing job. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, they grabbed this marble tray. Now this looks like a wooden bowl for the second piece that she's using here. Oh, I think they're gonna just glue the two pieces together and make like a table tray, pedestal bowl, whatever you want to call it. Wow, I love the way that this turned out. And this is such an easy project to do because you're basically just gluing the two pieces together. I think this looks absolutely very cool. Wow, love that idea. All right, so we're back at the store again. Actually, it looks like we're back at Ikea. So they grabbed a placemat and some type of wooden piece. Oh, she might be making a table here. So I'm not quite sure. It looks like a lazy Susan for the top portion. I'm actually really surprised that she's painting this because I thought she was going to leave it with the natural wood. So she did end up painting both pieces, and it looks like she made a cute little side table. Very clever. I just love TikTok. Like, you can get so much inspiration. Like, this is the cutest little thing. A nice little side table that you have in the corner of your home, in the corner of a room, with a pampas grass and a vase. This is just like beautiful high-end decor that's simplistic. So next up, for all of my Love Day people out there, we have a Valentine's Day wreath. So it looks like she's using baby's breath for this. So comment down below, do you like to decorate your home for Valentine's Day? I feel like I used to, but lately I haven't really been doing it too much. So she ends up cutting the half of a heart here with the foam. And then cuts that in half to form the heart. Looks like she's using a wooden stick to keep the pieces together. Now this project I would say is a little bit more on the intermediate or advanced side. Cute idea though, and I wonder how long this would actually hold up. It probably smells amazing too. Like, I love it when you have decor that not only looks good, but it has a nice fragrance to it. And then we leave off the video with this last DIY. This one is going to be of some artwork. I thought that this was absolutely beautiful. I love how they went with this gorgeous black shade instead of, you know, the traditional whites. Oh, we got another video here. So this one does feature some canvas artwork as well. Beautiful. If you can, make your own canvas artwork. I think that it just adds a nice little statement piece to your home. And here's one last variation. So I hope you guys have enjoyed all these DIY project ideas within today's video and you were able to get some inspiration for your next decor project. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.